Hello children, myself Ishwar Chand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing chapter 13 exponents and powers. Okay. Now today we are learning multiplying powers with the same exponent. Okay. So watch this video carefully up to the end. Today we solve many examples, many problems which cover this whole chapter. So today our chapter completing. So watch this up to the end and solve the last exercise. Okay. Now we start. 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 3. Here bases are different but their exponents are same according to this topic. Okay, same exponent. Here the same exponent. So first we expand them. 2 raised to the power 3 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, and 3 raised to the power 3 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, now we put together one from each. So 2 into 3 and 2 into 3 and this 2 into 3. So we get 3 pairs, one from each. So 2 into 3 6, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 3 6. So we get 6 3 times. So this becomes 6 cube. Okay. So this becomes 6 cube. So remember this. How we perform. Then we generalize this. Okay. 4 power 4 and 3 power 4. So first we expand this 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 4 times. 3 power 4, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. Now we take one from each. 4 into 3 one time, second time, third time and fourth time. Now by multiplying this 4 into 3 12, 12, 12, 12. So we get 12 4 times. So this becomes 12 power 4. Okay. As here the exponent is 4 and we receive the 4. And 4 and 3 are the base which are different, but we get 12. That is 4 into 3 12. Here 2 into 3 6. So remember this thing. Okay. Now we take some algebraic part. 3 square into a square. We expand it. 3 square. 3 into 3 a square and 2a. Now take one from each. 3 into a and 3 into a. So this become 3a and 3a. So 3a whole square. Okay. Here the exponent are 2. So here the exponent 2 and 3 into a 3a. Again, now we take one more example. A raised to the power 4, b raised to the power 4. So we write a 4 times and b 4 times in multiplying. Okay. Take one from each. So we get a into b, a into b, a into b, a into b. We get 4 pair. Okay. So this can be AB, 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 AB in multiplication. So this become AB power 4 because AB comes 4 times in multiplication. So this become AB raised to the power 4. Okay. So this way we can express. So on the basis of these data and the procedure, in general, for any non-zero integer a, we express a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m, where the exponents are same but the bases are different. We multiply these bases and put the power same. So this become a into b the whole power m. So this become ab power m. So remember this, where m is any whole number. So this way we solve. Now we take example first. Express in the exponential form. First part 2a raised to the power 4 minus 4m whole power 3. So we take first part 2a whole 4. So it means 2a comes in multiplication 4 times. 2a into 2a into 2a into 2a. So remember this. Okay. So this way we can express. Now take numeral part together. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. A 4 times, so A into A into A into A 4 times. So this become 2 raised to the power 4 and this become A raised to the power 4. Here the bases are different but the powers are same. So according the law we learned just before, these bases are multiplied and the exponents are same. Okay, this way. So this is the converse of this. If we multiply this and put the power same, we get this. But this is the converse of this. That is, if we open this, we get this. And if we combine this, we get this. So remember this thing. This is the exponential form. Again we take the second. Minus 4m whole cube. We can write this as minus 4 into m. Okay? Whole cube. So each part we can write 3 times. So minus 4 into m, minus 4 into m, minus 4 into m 3 times. So this become minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 like this, and m into m into m like this. So this become minus 4 whole cube into m whole cube. Okay. So this is the exponential form of this. So remember this way. Now dividing powers with the same exponent. As we learn multiplication of powers with the same exponent, now we learn dividing powers with the same exponent. So concentrate on this. Here is the question. 2 raised to the power 4 upon 3 raised to the power 4. That is 2 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. First we expand them. 2 4 times we multiply, 3 4 times we multiply. Now we can take them separately, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 like this. Okay, so this become 2 by 3 multiplying 4 times. So we can write this 2 by 3 whole power 4. Okay, now again we take second, a raised to the power 3 upon b raised to the power 3. That is a raised to the power 3 dividing by b raised to the power 3. So we can express them in expand form, a into a into a, b into b into b. Now take one from each. Okay, so this a by b, a by b, a by b in multiplication. So a by b 3 times, so a by b whole power 3. So remember this thing. Now we take a general form. So in general, for any non-zero integers a and b, we get this rule. A raised to the power m divide by b raised to the power m, where the bases are not same but the exponents are same. We just divide them and keeping the exponent same. So this a to the power m divide b raised to the power m. So we combine a by b whole raised to the power m because both contain the same exponent. So exponent are common and this become a by b and whole power m. So this is a general formula. On the basis of these we have to calculate. Where m is a whole number, here m is the whole number. So remember this formula. Now we solve example second. Expand first part 3 by 5 whole power 4 and this minus 4 by 7 whole power 5. First we take first part 3 by 5 whole power 4. So we can write this as 3 power 4, 5 power 4. Okay. Now expand this 3 4 times multiplying and 5 4 times multiplying. So this is the expand of this. Now minus 4 by 7 whole power 5. We can write this minus 4 power 5 upon 7 power 5. So minus 4 5 times. This way we expand. And 7 raised to the power 5 means 7 multiplying 5 times. So this is the expansion of this. Now we learn numbers with exponents 0. Okay, this is one of the law. So we learn how we found this law. First we solve something. 3 raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 5. That is 3 raised to the power divided by 3 raised to the power 5. So we expand them 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 times and then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. We expand both these. So this, all these cancel out one from another, so we get 1. Okay. By using law of exponent, we also solve this. 3 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 5. Okay. So by the rule 3 power 5 minus 5, because we know the rule a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n can be written as m minus n, where m greater than n. So this way we solve this. So this becomes 3, 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 3 raised to the power 0 become 1. Because this and this same, and we solve this by this way. So this way also this becomes 0, but the value of the 0 is 1. So remember this thing. Now we take one more. 7 raised to the power 3, 7 raised to the power 3. So write down 7 raised to the power 3 in expand form, 7 into 7 into 7. And again this 7 into 7 into 7. By cancelling this we get 1. So by another method, this becomes 7 raised to the power 3 divided by 7 raised to the power 3, that is 7 raised to the power 3 minus 3. With this formula we get 7 raised to the power 0. It means with the help of this and this we get, therefore 7 raised to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, now again we take algebraic part. Similarly, a cube divided by a cube, we get a power 3 minus 3, that is 0. Now we solve by expanding method. A cube divided by a cube, that is a cube upon a cube. So expand this. A 3 times we multiply, again a 3 times we multiply. By cancelling one another we get 1. So this way we get 1, and this way we get a raised to the power 0. So a raised to the power 0 equals 1, because by solving we get 1. For any non-zero integer, this is the formula. A raised to the power 0 equal to 1. That is, any number having the power 0 equals 1 for any non-zero integer. So remember this. Now we learn miscellaneous example using the law of exponents. This is very important topic, so watch carefully and learn well. Okay. Example 3. Write exponential form for 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 taking base as 2. We have to express this in as base 2. First we take this. Here 8 4 times multiply, so we can write this 8 raised to the power 4. Okay. But we know 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. By factorize this we get 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 raised to the power 3. So we write on the place of 8 we write 2 raised to the power 3. So 8 power 4 means 2 raised to the power 3 whole power 4 means 2 raised to the power 3 4 times. Okay, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3. So this become 2 into 3, 2 raised to the power 3 into 4, because we know the rule a raised to the power m whole power n can be written as a raised to the power m into n. So with the help of this we can write this as 2 raised to the power 3 into 4 directly. So this become 2 raised to the power 12. So remember this. This is the exponential form with base 2. This is our result. Now we solve example 4. Simplify and write in exponential form. These are our questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th part. First we take first part. 3 raised to the power 7 upon 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 5. So we solve this first. 3 raised to the power 7 minus 2, because we know the formula a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power m minus n. So we use this and solve this. So this minus this into 3 raised to the power 5, and this become 3 raised to the power 5. Here 3 raised to power 5 and 3 raised to power 5 bases are same, so they are adding. So 3 raised to power 5 plus 5, that is 3 raised to power 10. So this way we solve this. Next question. 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 5. Here bases are same, so we add them. 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2, okay, into 5 raised to power 5. This becomes 2 raised to power 5. Here the bases are different, but the exponent are same. So by keeping the exponent same, we multiply the bases. So 2 into 5 whole power 5. 5 into 2 is 10, so 10 raised to power 5. This way we can solve this. Now another example. 6 raised to the power 2 into 6 raised to the power 4 divided by 6 raised to the power 3. These are same base, so they are adding. 6 raised to the power 2 plus 4 divided by 6 raised to the power 3. This becomes 6 raised to the power 6 and this 6 raised to the power 3. Okay, so this can be written as 6 raised to the power 6 upon 6 raised to the power 3. But by applying rule, this becomes 6 raised to the power 6 minus 3 by using formula. Okay, so 6 minus 3, 6 cube. So this way we solve this. Now fourth part. 2 raised to the power 2 whole cube into 3 raised to the power 6 and multiply by 5 raised to the power 6. First we solve this. 2 raised to the power 2 whole power 3. So 3 2 is 6, so this becomes 2 raised to the power 6 into 3 raised to the power 6 and multiplying by 5 raised to the power 6. So here the bases are different, but the exponent are same, so we can write this as 2 into 3 whole power 6 and this 5 raised to the power 6. By solving this, we get 6 raised to the power 6 and 5 raised to the power 6. Here both are different bases, but the exponents are same, so we have to multiply them. 6 into 5 raised to the power 6. 6 into 5 is 30, so this becomes 30 raised to the power 6. This way we solve this. And the last part, 8 raised to the power 2 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. First we write 8 as 2 raised to the power 3 because 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So this becomes 2 raised to the power 3 whole power 2. Okay, divided by 2 raised to the power 3. Now by open this, 2 raised to the power 3 into 2, 6 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. So we put this like that. So this becomes 2 raised to the power 6 upon 2 raised to the power 3. By applying formula, we can write 2 raised to the power 6 minus 3, which becomes 2 raised to the power 3. So this way we can solve according to law of exponent. Okay. Now we take example 5. Simplify these. First we take the first part. 12 power 4 into 9 raised to the power 3 into 4, 6 raised to the power 3 into 8 raised to the power 2 into 27. First we express this as factorization. So 12's factor are 2 into 2 into 3 whole power 4, 9 as 3 into 3 whole power 3, 4 as 2 into 2. Now this 6 as 2 into 3 whole power 3, this 8 as 2 into 2 into 2 whole power 4, this 27 as 3 into 3 into 3. So we factorize them. Now next part, 2 and 2, this is 2 square into 3 whole power 4, and this 3 into 3, 3 square whole cube, this 2 into 2, 2 square, this 2 into 3, we separate them. So 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 3. Here 2 raised to the power 3 whole power 2. Here 3 raised to the power 3. Now we again solve. This 2 raised to the power 2 whole power 4. So they are multiplying. 2 raised to the power 2 into 4 and this 3 raised to the power 4. And this 3 raised to the power 2 into 3, 6. This 2 square. Okay. Here 2 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 3, and this become 2 raised to the power 3 into 2, 6 into 3 raised to the power 3. Now again we solve. By simplify this get 2 raised to the power 8, 3 raised to the power 4, and this 3 raised to the power 6. So they are adding 4 plus 6. And this 2 raised to the power 2. Again 2 raised to the power 3 and this 2 raised to the power 6. Same base, so they are adding 3 plus 6. And here 3 and 3 are the same base, so they are adding. So this way we get this. Now simplifying this, 2 raised to the power 8 and 2 raised to the power 2 So that is 2 raised to power 8 plus 2. We add them. And this 3 raised to power 4 plus 6, that is 10. 2 raised to power 9, 3 raised to power 6. Now this become 2 raised to power 10, 3 raised to power 10, 2 raised to power 9, 3 raised to power 6. Here 2 raised to power 10 and 2 raised to power 9. So this become 2 raised to the power 10 minus 9, and this become 3 raised to power 10 minus 6. This become 1, this become 4. So 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 3 raised to power 4 is 3 into 3, 9, and 3 into 3, 9 into 9 is 81. So 2 into 81 is 162. So this is our answer of the first part. Now we solve the second part. 2 cube into a cube into 5a4. So this 2 cube, this a cube, this can be written as 5 into a raised to power 4. So here a cube and a4, same base, but the exponent are different, so we add them. A raised to power 3 plus 4, and 2 cube is 8, and this 5 here. Now this 8 and 5 here, and this become a raised to power 7. 8 5 is 40, a7. So this way we can solve this. Now we solve third part. 2 into 3 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to power 5 upon 9 into 4 square. 2, this 3 power 4, 2 raised to power 5, 9 as 3 square, 4 as 2 square whole power 2. Here bases are same, so they are adding 1 plus 5, and this 3 raised to power 4. Here 3 square, and this 2 raised to power 2 whole 2. So this become 2 raised to the power 2 into 2, that is 4. Now this become 2 raised to power 6, this become 3 square, 2 power 4. So 2 raised to power 6 and 2 raised to power 4. So this become 2 raised to power 6 minus 4 by applying law. And this 3 raised to power 4 and this 3 raised to power 2. So 3 raised to power 4 minus 2. By subtracting this become 2 square, this become 3 square. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. 4 9 ja 36. So this way we can solve our problems. So simplify all the problems. Okay. So our chapter is completing. Rest of the topics are removed from the syllabus. So solve this exercise. This is your homework. Okay. Have a nice day. Thanks.